Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to do airdrops on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just decide which files that you want to send into your friends. And for me, I would like to send some videos, so I would like to go into the photo library. In this photo library, I just need to go find the videos that I want to send, and whenever we found it, we just need to go click and hold the files until it's pop up the several options here, and you just need to go click share. And here there will be also appear several options that you can use for sharing the documents. And since we want to use the airdrop, we just need to go click these airdrops, and then we just need to wait until your friend's airdrop is pop up in the screen, and after that you just need to click it. Now you just need to wait until your friend accepting the files, and whenever it's already accepted, the process will be running and your documents is successfully sent into your friend. So that's the way how to use airdrops on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel to discover more about iPhone's tutorials. See you in the next video.